Hi, this is Skylar with Hammer in Hand. We're out at the Hillside House in Northwest Portland, and today I'm going to be talking a bit about the green roof system that we just put on the room addition that we're wrapping up. I'm going to talk a little bit about the drainage system that's part of the roofing system, the roofing itself, and also the super insulation that we did on the roof system. So right here, the roofing contractor installed an anchor here, and about once a year this roof is going to get mowed down. It's optional if the owner wants it to grow, the seedlings to grow further up. That's not a problem, but typically this will be mowed down once a year, and the landscaper can or the homeowner can lock into this and be secured as they trim up the edges. As far as watering goes, this is a real resilient blend of plants here that we have, and so during the hot months this is going to need very minimal irrigation, about twice a month during the really hot seasons. Other than that, just our typical rain that we get in Portland is going to be more than enough for this roof to thrive in. So pretty minimal maintenance and really beautiful. So one of the most important details of this roof isn't really the beautiful vegetation that's on the surface. That's more of the facade. The really critical details are managing the moisture in the roof system. And so below us here we have this black membrane, which is a HPDE membrane, and it has a dimple on the back side of it that is over a PVC membrane. And then one of the most critical components is handling moisture at the parapet cap here. And so we have a small little wall that comes up here. This is called the parapet. And behind all of this, we have a liquid applied flashing product that you've seen on other projects called a Cat 5 and Fast Flash. And so that's completely monolithic membrane that is very airtight and watertight. And then our roof membrane goes up over that, and then we have this heavy-duty 24-gauge standing seam metal cap that's blind fastened on one side to prevent fasteners from being visible on the other side. And so that's what protects the house from the elements, and you'll see it has a nice slope, so moisture is always draining down into the roof, and then it goes out the scupper down here. This roof system is warranted for 20 years. During the process, we had it third-party verified by the manufacturer, so it's a very comprehensive roof warranty. And one of the things that really makes that warranty work is this tray system. So some living roofs are a full soil medium with drainage mat. This system we're utilizing here is a tray system, so these individual trays, if there ever were a problem with the roof, could be removed and the roof could be maintained and repaired. And so in terms of sustainability, the moisture management and the thermal performance of the roof is just as critical as the beauty of the green roof itself. Another component of this roof is the membrane is actually sitting on top of a tapered polyiso insulation system, and so that keeps the roof sheathing always warm and dry, and it also prevents the warm heat inside the house from leaking through the roof. And so it doesn't make any sense to have this beautiful green roof if you don't have a high performance roof system below it. So we're managing the heat, air, and moisture transfer with this roof assembly, and that's really what makes it special. And then the green is really just icing on the cake. So the tray here not only contains the soil and the growth medium for the sedums here, but it also serves as a drainage layer. So the bottom of this is dimpled here, and basically it allows water to percolate down through the soil and drain out to the scupper. So these trays that we used are actually really cool. They've got this piece of plastic here that keeps the trays divided, and the soil goes up to the top of this edge here. And basically this little piece of white plastic can be pulled up and out, and what you end up with is a seamless connection between the soil, and so this soil will knit together over time, and rather than have these individual trays, we're going to have a monolithic piece of soil, and then if we do need to get to the roof for maintenance, that soil can just be cut away and the tray can be lifted up and out. And so you have the benefits of this tray system, which provides drainage between the roof membrane and the plant and the soil, while having the benefits of a beautiful, smooth, seamless living roof organism. So it's a pretty cool system.